Now, good morning to all. I am Kamlesh Sharma. Now, in previous lecture we have discussed exercise 4.3. Now, today we will discuss exercise 4.4, that is nature of roots. So, in nature of roots, we already discussed that if d is greater than 0, then roots are real and different. If d equals to 0, then roots are real and equal. And if d is less than 0, then no real roots are exist. Okay, and d is the discriminant. So, first question is find the nature of root of the given equation. So firstly we will find out the value of a, b and c. So what is the value of a? 3. What is the value of b? Minus 4 root 3. And what is the value of c? 4. Now we will find out discriminant value d is equals to b square minus 4ac. Substitute the value d equal b value 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into 8c. So d equal minus negative square positive 4 root 3 whole square 4 4 the 16 root 3 square 3 16 48. So d equal 48 minus 48 what will come 0. So d equals to 0. So roots are real and equal. So roots क्या होंगे real होंगे और equal होंगे because d value what will come d value will come 0. Then how we will find our roots value? Then its roots are given by minus d upon 2a and minus b upon 2a that I already told to you. So minus b upon 2a minus what is the value of b? Minus 4 root 3 divided 2 a value 3. Second also minus 4 root 3 upon 2 multiplied by 3. So first root will come 4 root 3 by 6 and second also will come 4 root 3 by 6. So first type question, if in question is asking find the nature of the roots and hence if real then find out. Then firstly you will find out discriminant value greater than 0 आ रहा है equals to 0 आ रहा है then roots are real and if less than 0 then no real roots are exist. Understand? Now second question देखो. Second question, this is very important. Second question, how we will find out the unknown value? Question number second, find the value of k for which the given equation having real and equal roots. So real and equal roots kx square minus 2 under root 5x plus 4 is equals to 0. So how we will find out the value of k? What is given to you? Roots are real and equal. So what is the condition for roots real and equal? So condition for real and equal roots. So condition for real and equal roots is b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Now we will find out value of a. What is the value of a? K. What is the value of b? Minus 2 root 5. And what is the value of c? We will substitute here b square minus 2 under root 5 whole square minus 4k 4 is equals to 0. Minus square is plus 2 root 5 whole square is 20 minus 16k is equals to 0 minus 16k is equals to minus 20 negative cancel. What is the value of k? 20 upon 16 over 10 by 8 over 5 by 4. So what is the value of k? So k is equals to 5 upon 4. So understand second type of question. Find the value of k for is the given equation having real and equal roots. Condition for real and equal roots क्या होती है? b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. So a value k. What is the value of b? Minus 2 root 5 c value 4. Substitute करना है then you will find out the value of k. Okay. Next question देखो. Question number third. In question number third same question है. Find k if roots are real and equal, and equation is given to you x square minus 2 5 plus 2kx plus 21 plus 30k equals to 0. Same question. Firstly, we will find out the value of a, value of b, and value of c. So what is the value of a? Nothing given than 1. What is the value of b? Minus 2 5 plus 2k, or which can be written as minus 10 plus 4k. And what is the value of c? 21 plus 30k. Now condition for real and equal roots. So real and equal roots, b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. What is the value of b? Minus 10 plus 4k whole square, minus 4a and c, 21 plus 30k equals to 0. Now simplify. Negative square is positive. Negative square positive. Now we will use the anti a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, minus 484 minus 120k equals to, simplify तो इसको क्या बनेगा? 100 plus 80k plus 16k square minus 84 minus 120k equals to 0. Now again simplify. 16k square as it is, 80k minus 120k minus 40k, 100 minus 84 minus 16 is equals to 0. Now we will take out 8 common. 2k square minus 5k minus 2 is equals to 0. 8 going to divide. 2k square minus 5 minus 2 is equals to 0. Now that is the quadratic equation. Now this quadratic equation we can solve using any one method. So how we will solve? So equation is 2k square minus 5k minus 2 equals to 0. Middle term split. We will take two numbers such that their product what will come? Their product will come 4. And if we will subtract, then what will come? 5. So such this type of equation is possible? No? So how we will find out the value of k? Now you will find out the value of k using any one method. Okay. Next question. Question देखो next. Find k if the roots are real and different, and equation is given to you. Equation is given kx square plus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. Same. Firstly, we will find out a value is k. What is the value of b? 2. And what is the value of c? 1. Now, condition for real and different roots. So what is the condition for real and different root? d is greater than 0. b square minus 4ac greater than 0. b value 2 square. Now in the previous equation में यहाँ पे क्या था? बाई डिफॉल्ट नेगेटिव हो गया था, बट ये पॉजिटिव होगा. इक्वेशन बनेगी 2x स्क्वायर minus 5k plus 2 equals to 0. Now next क्वेश्चन क्या था? k वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करना है. रूट्स आर रियल एंड डिफरेंट. So b square minus 4ac greater than 0. 2 square है 4 minus 4k is greater than 0. Now 4k is transferred there. So 4 is 4k, or we can write down 4 by 4 k or 1 k, or we can say k is less than 1. So the value of k is less than 1 for real and different roots. So real and different roots के लिए क्या होगी? k की वैल्यू always less than 1 होगी in that given equation. Okay. Now next we will discuss one important question. Now next we will discuss very important question. 1 plus m square x square plus 2mc x plus c square minus a square equals 0 are having real and equal roots. Then we will prove that. Then same question. Now condition for real and equal roots. So condition for real and equal roots, b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. So firstly we will find out a value. What is the value of a? 1 plus m square. What is the value of b? 2mc. And what is the value of c? c square minus a square. Now we will substitute here given condition. B square 2mc whole square minus 4 into a value is 1 plus m square and c square minus a square equals to 0. Now 4 m square c square minus 4 1 multiply whole bracket c square minus a square plus m square also multiply c square minus a square equals to 0. So 4 m square c square minus 4 c square minus a square plus m square c square minus m square a square equals to 0. 4 inside multiply होगा 4 m square c square minus 4 c square 4 a square negative negative positive negative positive negative 4 m square c square negative negative positive 4 m square a square equals to 0. Cancel. Now we want one side c square, so minus 4 c square plus 4 a square plus 4 m square a square equals to 0. We will take out 4 common. 4 common लिया क्या रहा? minus c square plus a square plus m square a square equals to 0. m square a square equals to 0. 4 divided चला गया 0 में. remaining क्या रहा? minus c square plus a square m square a square equals to 0. Now next, after that minus c square equals to minus a square minus m square a square. So minus c square we will take minus common, a square plus m square a square negative negative cancel. C square here a square also common 1 plus m square. ये proof करना था and proof. Okay. So in that given question, what is given to you? Given following equations are having real and equal roots. Then you will prove same procedure. A की value find out करनी है, B value and C value find out करनी है आपको. Okay. After that finding, now we know that what is the condition for real and equal roots? B square minus 4ac is equals to 0. उसको substitute करना है. Then finally we will get the answer. C square equals to a square 1 plus m square. So that is the all about your chapter 4 quadratic equations. Okay. So please like, share and subscribe this YouTube channel. And in next lecture we will meet of chapter 5 is arithmetic progression.